Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hello, welcome. My name is Kristen. Today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. This just came today. Seal's still on here, so I got to get something to open this, and I'll be right back. All right, let's open this up. It's a small box this month, so this is the inside. This month's theme is Super Bloom. So first we have this dewy blush from Ciate. It's a glossy cheek tint in the shade Pomegranate. I'm gonna have everything on the screen and the prices down on the screen too. So this is what it looks like. It kind of is looking like the L'Oreal ones that I like. Let's see. It's a pretty color. Definitely will use it. This is the color. It's really pretty. I've been really loving liquid blushes. If you watched my Get Ready With Me that I did not too long ago, I talked about it there. Next is this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body Resurfacing Serum. What is this? This is a body serum. I've never tried a body serum before. I've gotten a lot of pharmacy products in my Boxycharms, and I feel like they've been really hit or miss for me. So I'm excited to try this. I'm actually running out of my body cream, so they always like know when I'm running out. Next we have this product from Skin Inc, and it's the Serum Glow Filter. It's basically a primer and helps brighten the skin, even your skin tone, and help reduce the appearance of lines. Oh, this is fun. Look at that. I've always wanted to try one of these like really cool products that like looks all beady in there. Next we have this product from V Cosmetic. It's their liquid velvet lipstick in the shade Bubbly. I'm excited to see what color this is. Oh, it's a pretty color. I'll definitely use a color like this. Let's see, I've never heard of V Cosmetics. The applicator looks really nice and pretty color. And then the last product is a eyeshadow primer from Basic Beauty. Let's just see what kind of eyeshadow primer this is. Oh, it's a tubey kind. I've actually been using one from NYX, and it's like a doe foot, and I really like it. But this is what it looks like. Just like any basic eyeshadow primer. And that is it for this month's Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know what you think down below of this month's box. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with it. I haven't really been loving the boxes lately, so I'm excited for this one. I really like all of the products. Make sure you're following me on Instagram for all my product reviews on everything. I will have all the details there, and if you want any product reviews on here, let me know. I'll gladly do that. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.